make sure to stay till the end. It may not be the fuse, or you may need a special procedure after replacing the fuse. We'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you need to find where the fuse guys for the rear left turn signal is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain what else could be causing the problem, and in some cases you need to do a special procedure after you replace the fuse. All that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So automatically most people guys will open the hood on Dodge Challenger. We have specifically here 2018 model, and they will come and actually check that fuse box right here under the hood. You can see, but it's actually not there guys, it's at a different location. So if we come towards the back, okay, you can see right here, and car was in a little bit of an accident, but runs and drives like a champ. We'll be fixing it soon. Very low mileage, really well maintained Dodge, except that a little bit of an accident there. And always turn the ignition switch off when you're replacing fuses, removing fuses. It's even recommended guys to disconnect the car battery, and on these modern cars it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can actually guys burn engine computers, modules, computers, and that can be really expensive. We actually burned a module on a Mercedes that way because we didn't disconnect the right battery terminal, and it cost us $2,000. So there is a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out. Next to the spare tire and the battery, you have a fuse box right here. That fuse box, you have one notch here that you pull it this way. Now, why it's super important to actually guys test fuses. Most people will not, but that's where mistakes are easily made. Fuses, sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, so it's always good to test them. And we have actually guys a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. Check out the link in the description of the video below. Very informative video guys, otherwise you may end up spending time and money that you didn't have to. So if you look right here guys, starting from the very left side, even if you have a missing fuse, you still count it. You have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 fuse, but it's actually known as fuse number F7. That's the one, okay, for rear left turn signal. That fuse right here. So that fuse, okay, when it's burned, you can see the rear left turn signal will not be working. And if you guys replacing, you still have problems, let me explain what else can be easily causing, okay, that problem. In that case, it could be something completely different. You might need to guys use a special computer at that point to reset the body control module and other computers. And that's the scanner that we use. That's our favorite scanner. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. It's amazing too. So you may need to reset the body control module, and that will fix it. If rear left turn signal still doesn't work, we have a video that explains what else can be causing that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.